Can I have a copy of that? They're just filing it. So the file is done.
Parang na lang po.
Patient of from PEPCAD.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I used to see sila Ana and Joanne
Ready na kayo guys, boys?
Game.
Mega. Senator Mega, ano po yung final natin? At kanino po?
Well, cyber libel crime under Republic Act, well, revised penal code. So, and then the cybercrime law, dahil nga sa malicious and imputation of defamation of our persons. No? Sabi nga natin na yes, we are public figures, but we also have rights. Because ang daming nagsasabi, hindi, pag public figure kayo, dapat tiisin ninyo yung mga pagsisinungaling at paninira. But that's not the case. In fact, we also have private rights. Lalo na when the matter is not of public interest, meaning it's a personal issue, personal family matters and concerns. So that's why we're filing this case. Hindi dapat, at syempre, alam na natin yung sistema sa social media ngayon, di ba? Paramihan ng views, paramihan ng subscriber, paramihan ng share. So kung ano-ano na lang paninira o kasinungalingan ng kinakalat para lang sumikat, para lang dumami ang kanilang viewers at subscribers. So hindi tama ito. And that's why we're putting a stop to this. And we believe na the criminal behavior should not be allowed to continue.
Mega, what do you want to say?
Yeah, like you said nga, because we're public figures, we're very understanding of the fact na, you know, we're open to public scrutiny, criticism. That's really okay because it's kakambal ng trabaho namin. Siya bilang politiko, ako bilang artista. But it gets to a point kasi na, you know, it affects your children, your family. I've lost sleep over it. Kasing feeling ko kahit hindi totoo, parang, syempre meron kahit 5 na maniniwala doon. You know, parang I have brought suits against siguro 2 people in the past over 46 years of my career, no? So hindi ako mahilig sa ganito, kung pwede lang ng kaya lang parang after so often na tinitira ka, baseless, or yung opinion okay lang yun pero pag medyo alam mo there's a line, you don't hit beyond the belt, below the belt rather. You don't hit beyond what is acceptable. So, pati mga anak namin, marriage namin, lahat na, parang ang sama-sama namin, parang ang sama kong ina, ang sama kong tao, when buong buhay ko parang has been dedicated to really trying to raise the best kind of human beings na sa mga anak namin. We actually are very decent, very honest people. Parang kunyari, pag sinabi mo si Kiko corrupt, tapos parang tuloy-tuloy maraming pumick up, sabihin yon. Tapos isang araw, magpa-audit kunyari ang BIR, nalaman na hindi pala totoo at all, na wala kaming niyaman dyan. So maabswelto ka, pero ilang tao na yung naniwala, ilang tao na yung for a long time pinag-uusapan kayo na negative light. Parang we're not perfect, but we live very honest and, you know, I mean, wala kaming skandalong matatawag mo na social media is very cruel and we accept that, we understand that. But, you know, I don't like doing this, especially because in 2021, I really, sabi ko nga sa kanya, I wanted to, kumbaga parang travel lighter. Yung 2021, because of my age also and how far I've come already in the business, parang I wanted to make peace with everybody na baka at one time or another nakasaktan ako o nasaktan ko. Although wala akong naalam ang nasaktan ko. And at magpatawad din sa mga taong nakasakit sa akin. So I reached out to her. And for a while, I had so much affection for her kasi feeling ko ang tanda na natin, tanda ko na. I was looking only for good points in people. And then after a while, parang suddenly I was shocked kasi konting lalabas, parang hinusgahan ka agad, di ka man tinanong. it's there's so much unfairness also. People only see kasi yung surface, di ba? Hindi naman nila alam ano nangyayari sa amin. I think sa akin, parang napilay ka na. Kasi people don't know also what I've been, carrying all this time. Kasi their personal hurts, and I never want to speak against somebody I truly love. So, tanggap lang ako ng tanggap ng kung anong sabihin, but dumating sa puntong inalagaan ko yung pangalan ko ng 46 years. Magandang palaki sa akin ang magulang ko. At higit sa lahat, sabi nung 3 anak ko, mabuti akong ina. So, napakasakit sa akin, napaka-patong-patong. So, if people pick that up, tapos talk as if they live with us, and they see us, and they know what we're going through. Even my children have suffered, and sama ng loob nila, we've been off social media, partly because of this. So, ayoko to yung pwede lang, pero parang it's a message also na artista kami, pero ang dami na nakakalimot na nasasaktan din kami, di ba? Na hindi naman ninyo kami kilala, nakikita nyo lang ang trabaho namin. So, okay lang yun. I'm very, pag pinipintasan, okay lang ako, that's part of it, pero sumobra yata.
Mega, what in particular triggered it this time around? Na para magbakati para sa
We cannot daw, sabi ng attorney, asawa kong
Huwag na namin
attorney.
pag-usapan yung ito.
Ayoko
Nasa-
naman.
nasa-
It's in the
Oo.
complaint naman.
It's
But
in the
most of
complaint.
it as last year, Senator.
And early this
No,
year,
and early this year.
Early this year.
actually kami, since I was 18, merong nangyari na kumalat na sinulat niya nandito to. It had to do with, no one knew I was secretly married the first time. And parang she wrote na I went to the States kasi gusto kong patanggal yung baby ko. When actually, I didn't even know I was pregnant when I went. And I was married already. I'm just saying, I was 18 then, I'm 58 now. It's 40 years ago. I didn't do anything. So, patong-patong na.
Senator, particularly, is it the radio program, from the radio program, or from
YouTube.
YouTube,
Online.
and print sometimes.
And Facebook, basta social media platforms.
Na nakakarating syempre sa amin kahit hindi. So, nung kinulakta namin, masakit.
Sharon, ulitin ko lang, no? You've reached out to her.
No,
before.
in 2021, I offered my friendship. And that was very, you know me, di ba? I don't bother when I don't really feel, I want to give everyone a second, third, fourth chance.
So that was the last time that you spoke to her in 2021 or
I was taping Provinciano, probably 2022, I don't remember, but a long time ago.
Parang I'm trying to figure out nga parang this must be heavy for you because
Hindi ko ginagawa.
saka parang pagkakaalam ko rin parang okay naman kayo.
Oo, minahal ko naman siya. Hindi naman hindi ako nakipagplastikan, di ba? Pag ayaw ko talaga. When I extend my hand in friendship, you know it's true. So, kahit nakatalikod ako kung sino-sino tanongin yung kilala ko, siguro naman yun ang sasabihin.
Buong pamilya kasi ang...
Oo, na-affect. Pati mga anak ko, yung parang, si Frankie, ganyan. Parang, oh my God, they're kids, they're studying, wala silang ginagawa.
May pamilya din sila, siguro naman sana naintindihan nila. Hindi
Tsaka-
dapat ginagawa yun. Paulit-ulit pa.
Ano man ang problema rin namin ng panganay ko, because at this point we're estranged. And I'm very, very hurt. Pero there are things na tama na yun. There are things na amin na lang. And pagbalik-balik ta rin man ang mundo, mahal mo yung anak mo eh. So, tiis-tiis na lang bilang nanay. Pero dadating sa point, ayaw ko na rin isiksik ang sarili ko sa ayaw sa akin. I'm tired na.
may pagkakataon po ba na nag-reach out siya during the time na meron siyang mga nilabas
Wala.
na
Okay
To
na?
get your opinion.
Wala. Yun nga. Siguro they wait for us to react. But why would we, di ba? So, yun lang. Wala, alam mo, ayoko ito. I'm old na. You know, I think, nagtanim ako ng goodwill sa show business. Wala akong ginawa ko magtrabaho. Yung kagandahan ng loob na pinapakita ko, walang makapagsasabi na it's not real. Kasi nakikita, I'm so transparent, di ba? Kaya nga ako natotrouble minsan sa social media. I'm too frank. So usually I say what people are only thinking. And that's wrong. I regret that. But also, that just says a lot about one thing I will not be is inauthentic. I will die being myself, the same person I was when I was 12. So I cannot let something like this just slide.
Okay.
Last
Thank
question
you.
po
Thank
for
you.
me, may magkano po or kung ano po yung damages na hinihingi niyo for this complaint?
Anong bang ano natin?
We have to place it yet.
Oo. Yeah. Hindi pa namamani o hindi pa binibigay pa, no? Oo. Yeah, mahirap
Ako naman
kasi.
just siguro
Mahirap kasing i-quantify yung ano. So,
Dahil marami.
kasi pag
Maraming
public ano ka,
apektado.
'di ba? Maraming apektado lalo yung mga tao, ang daming marites sa Pilipinas, 'di ba? Tapos ang daming mema sabi lang, ang daming teka makiin nga. So, pag may narinig, kumalat, tagal na yun, hindi nyo alam. So, ano, parang,
alam mo takoyaki.
huwag ka magdadyo,
Oo nga.
nakakahiya, hindi dumanda kita, hindi loko lang. So, I don't like this. Sa amin naman, basta malinis yung pangalan namin, basta we're not beyond naman.
But
Okay.
honestly, Mega,
Yeah.
sorry last, sa showbiz, this sends a signal, this sends a
Yes.
message to everyone. And
Marami
of course, being
kasing-
one of the icons of the industry, what do you want to say about this action?
I will never tolerate injustice. I will never tolerate somebody hurting the people I love the most. Last na lang ako. Yung naapektuhan, pinakamamahal mo sa buhay na you will die for them and someone just comes along and, kind of tries to drive a wedge between you and certain family members that is so lumalala lang yung hindi dapat lumala. So, ayun, parang my message is we're all human beings. We all have rights. Nobody has the right. Alam mo, sabi ko nga kay Kiko, yung commandment na thou shalt not kill, feeling ko, naniniwala ko hindi lang physical na pagpatay yun eh. Hindi ba pag sinira mo ang pangalan at honor ng isang tao na pinaghirapan yung trinabaho, linis ng pangalan, ganda ng buhay, takbo ng buhay, para ka na rin pumatay. I'm sorry, but kasi I cannot do that to any human being. Lahat ng trabaho namin, everything we